Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Wednesday, March 27, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you're going to see the futures are trading down by just a quarter of 1 point. Right now, they're at 28.23, so they're basically flat on the day. All in all, when you look at the futures, you're going to see that they were lower. They have come off their worst levels. We'll see what today brings. Yesterday, the market was able to carve out a decent rally, and we'll see what today gives. All in all, we have the home builder stocks in play today. KB Homes up first. They reported earnings last night after the closing bell. You're going to see the stock right now trading at around $24.80. Closed at $24.08 yesterday. So all in all, this is upticking a little bit. Nothing great, nothing terrible. I really don't see this stock going much past the $25 level. So I think you could get to maybe 25 and a quarter, maybe 25 and a half. I don't see it going much past that. So we'll see what it does. Lennar also reporting earnings. So let's take a look at that one. Ticker symbol is LEN. There's another major home builder. Stock is trading up at the moment. Closed yesterday at $49.71. Currently trading at $50.90. So good little pop there. Again, Lennar, in my opinion, could trade to 52. Maybe a little bit higher than that. I don't see it getting much above that level. So keep these home builders on the radar. In sympathy, we'll take a look at Toll Brothers normally. Yeah, that's got a little bit of a bid to it. We also want to take a look here at DR Horton. DHI is a ticker symbol. That's upticking a little bit. And a lot of times you could also just follow the ITB, which is an ETF for the home builders, and you can see that's also higher ahead of the opening bell. But again, I don't see these home builders taking off today, unfortunately, but they are higher, so we'll see how it plays out, and we'll look at them once the opening bell rings. Next up, we want to take a look at Paychex. PAYX looks like they reported earnings. Stock is trading at $78.92. Closed at $80.11 yesterday. So this is a little bit of a haircut here. If this stock gets down to around the $73 level today, I like it there. I don't think I'm going to do much with it before then. So we'll look at it once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. Southwest Airlines cut their guidance on the Boeing after the Boeing 737 MAX has been grounded. Stock right now is trading at $48.20, closed at $48.75. So again, a little bit of a haircut here, but nothing terrible yet. So keep that on the radar today. If Southwest cut their earnings, you also want to look at American Airlines. They'll be affected as well. And I believe United also will be affected. We'll see how those play out today. But again, airline stocks have been weak as of late, and they still don't look very strong on the chart. So we'll see how that shakes out. Let's take a look at Shoe Carnival. They reported earnings. SCVL is a ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $36.18. This closed at $30.48. This is a great pop. So nice little move there for Shoe Carnival. Ton of resistance around the 38 level. So if it gets up to 38, maybe a fade there. Nice pop, though, today on Shoe Carnival. Next up, we want to take a look at CNC, which is Centene. It looks like they are going to acquire WellCare for $305 a share in stock and cash. Now, this industry group has been absolutely pounded. The stock is falling today on the news, but nonetheless, if you take a look at WellCare, which is WCG, you're going to see that stock trading at around $255, closed at $231, got all the way up to $285 yesterday in the after hours or this morning in the pre-market, but it has faded quite a bit. So we'll keep that on the radar. Anything in that healthcare insurance space has been absolutely pounded as of late. It's getting hit by a double-edged sword. Whether it's the Democrats or the Republicans, that industry group has been absolutely slaughtered. Let's take a look at Fiat Chrysler, FCAU. It looks like there's some rumors out here saying that Renault wants to take the company over. So that stock is catching a nice little bid. Closed at $14.84, now trading at $15.31. So we'll keep that on the radar, and we'll see how it plays out. All right, let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures trading basically flat today. They're down 40 cents to $1,321 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, which is a good ETF, track the movement in gold. That's trading at around 124.23, basically right where it closed. Crude oil today lowered by 6 cents. Crude had a big day yesterday. Today it's trading at $59.89 a barrel. If you don't have a crude futures chart, take a look at the USO. That is trading at $12.44. So gold and crude basically are flat this morning, and we have stocks all over the place. We'll see what today gives. Right now, the 10-year U.S. Treasury note yield is at 2.396%. It continues to decline, and again, we'll see if we do get a rate cut by the Federal Reserve sooner than later. But either way, yields are falling. We have inversions in a few different places now, and we'll see how this all trades out going forward. Should be an interesting day. If you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Started the week out blockbuster style, and again, we're going to look to keep that going really right into the end of the week, into the end of the month, and also into the end of the year. So if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. With that being said, everybody, we're going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we'll see you on the chart.